Have you ever made love all night long? She said she wanna make love.
Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. As you can see by the title, I'm going to be trying the Don't Despair Repair Deep Conditioning Mask by, I can't pronounce it, but this is what it looks like. Briogeo. Briogeo? Briogeo. I don't know. But this is what it looks like. I have already shampooed my hair. I used the AG Balance shampoo. And then I followed up with the Innocence Hydrating Cream Hair Bath. And I did a video on this. This is my second time trying it, and I'm starting to like it more and more. Well, I guess my second try. I like it more than I did the first time. It's a video that I posted right before this one, so go check that out if you haven't already. And I'll give my thoughts on my first impressions of this shampoo. I haven't conditioned because I'm gonna condition now. Whenever I'm deep conditioning my hair, I don't use like regular conditioner. Like there's no need because this is basically just a conditioner. I'm just applying it differently, and I'm going to be using my face/hair steamer. Everything will be linked down below. This will be linked down below. This will be linked down below. And I usually have on like a microfiber hair towel, but I got a t-shirt because the two mine are dirty. But this just works just as fine. But the microfiber hair towel will be linked down below as well. I'm gonna link the one I have. It's a hair steamer and this is the face steamer, but I use the face steamer part all the time on my hair because I don't feel like pulling the big one out because it's like a big dome that you put over your head. But I'm gonna go ahead and turn this on and let it heat up, and then I'll come back. But one thing I wanted to say that I don't see a lot of people mention is to make sure you put distilled water into your steamer. For one, it's better for your hair, but also it is better for the machine. So just a little tip. I'm going to go ahead and get this turned on, and then I'll be back whenever I'm applying the deep conditioner. Okay, y'all, I'm just going to quickly read the back of the bottle. It says, Don't Despair Repair blends rosehip, sweet almond, and argan oils with vitamin B5 and biotin to revitalize dry, damaged hair while protecting against future damage. Shine and moisture are enhanced so hair looks and feels visibly healthier and stronger. After shampooing, massage Don't Despair Repair into the hair from root to tip and leave in for 10 minutes before rinsing. And if you're not familiar with like hair steaming, steaming your hair basically opens up the hair follicle and lifts the cuticle to allow whatever product you're applying to penetrate deeper. Heat like opens the cuticle, so the steam is doing that. I love doing steam treatments. I don't do it a lot because I don't want to have like moisture overload, but I do it like occasionally whenever I feel my hair really needs it. I definitely see why this deep conditioner has been so hyped, because it lives up to that. I've been seeing it so much on TikTok, YouTube, and I'm like, let me go ahead and try it, because I don't really have that many deep conditioners because I don't deep condition my hair often. But I would definitely recommend this. My hair was super moisturized, my curls were super defined, and overall it's just a really good product. I didn't show my hair after I had actually did it, but I think part of the reason why my curls look so good right now is because of this deep conditioner. I can't speak to like the repair part, or because I've only used it once, but after my first use, I definitely think that this would be like a product worth buying. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know if this video has been helpful. If you have any product recommendations, please comment them down below.